Struggling to read SPSS regression output? Here are the only three tables that matter. 1. The model summary table. Find R-square. In our results, it's 0.796. This means our two variables explain 79.6% of customer satisfaction. Higher is better. 2. The ANOVA Table. Just check the sig value. Ours is 0.000, which is less than 0.05. This means our overall model is statistically significant. 3. The coefficients table. Look at the standardized beta values. For us, mobile banking has a beta of 0.652, and transaction speed is 0.271. This shows that mobile banking ease of use is a much stronger predictor. That's it. You just mastered regression output. Follow for more SPSS shortcuts.